guys, and welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy, and this is a lemon bundt cake. I already got my 6 eggs. I got my 2 sticks of margarine, butter flavored Crisco, and 1 stick of butter. Just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot bake a cake without it. And now I'm gonna do lemon flavoring. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of that. By McCormick. I like McCormick. They're so good. And then I'm gonna do, and this is not your mama's lemon bundt cake, 1 cup of buttermilk. You ain't see that coming, huh? And then we're gonna get ready to mix this a little bit. I want to get all my ingredients in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. So then I'm gonna go ahead and add my 3 cups of sugar, my 3 cups of cake swan cake flour, however you want to say it, and that's how it is. I'm gonna mix it a little bit by hand, and then I'm gonna go into my hand mixer and mix it up, and then I'll show y'all the rest. While we waiting on that to finish baking, we're gonna go ahead and make our icing for our red velvet cake from yesterday. Red velvet cake, right? So I use cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, and then we're gonna do vanilla, and we're gonna use about 2 cups of powdered sugar. And to thicken it, because I whip it too much and sometimes it just be like too soft, we're gonna use cornstarch to make it thick. This the red velvet, and my customer, she kind of like pecans, so we're gonna hook her up, okay? Home Cooking Done Roxy. 1 down and 1 more to go. When the people ask you for a lemon cake, give them what they want. Soak that bad boy in lemon again, then ice after it's cool. Yeah. A lemon icing for a lemon cake. Home Cooking Done Roxy. Lemon. And I did the red velvet for y'all. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. Ciao, guys.